Hi everyone and welcome back. So today I'm going to go through how to set up MetaMask on your PC in just a few steps. MetaMask is one of the most popular crypto wallets out there, and it's your gateway to decentralized apps and blockchain technology. So let's get started. First, open up your web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Brave or Edge. In this video I'll be using Chrome. So go to the official MetaMask website at metamask.io. Always double check that you're on the official website to avoid phishing scams, and I'll post the link in the description. So once you're there, click the download button for your browser and MetaMask will add itself as an extension. After downloading, your browser will prompt you to install the extension. Click Add to Browser Name, and in this case, add to Chrome, and confirm. Once the installation is complete, you'll see the MetaMask Fox icon in the top right corner of your browser. Now that you've installed MetaMask, let's set up your wallet. Click on the MetaMask icon in your browser and hit Get Started. You'll see two options, Import Wallet and Create a Wallet. In this case, we'll be using Create a Wallet. MetaMask will ask you to create a password. Make sure it's strong and secure. You don't want anyone hacking into your wallet. After setting your password, you'll receive your secret recovery phrase. This is extremely important. Write it down and store it somewhere safe. If you lose this phrase, you could lose your access to your wallet. Once you've completed the setup, you'll be taken to the MetaMask dashboard. Here you can view your wallet address, send and receive crypto, activity, NFTs, and you can connect to decentralized apps. By default, MetaMask connects to the Ethereum network. If you want to connect to other blockchains like Binance or Polygon, you can do that too. To add a new network, and click on Add Network. You'll need to input the blockchain details, which you can find online. And that's it, you're now ready to explore the world of cryptocurrencies, decentralized apps, and more with MetaMask. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Thanks for watching.